Are you preparing for the US Citizenship Interview? Let's practice together with a real mock interview. We'll go through actual USCIS interview questions, helpful tips, and sample answers to boost your confidence. And great news! We have updated this interview with the latest N-437 questions and the most current 100 civics questions as well. Practice, learn, and succeed. Let's begin.
Miguel Santos?
Yes, that's me.
Good afternoon. I am Officer Camelia, and I'll be conducting your interview today. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I am doing very well. Thank you. And you?
I'm a little nervous, but also excited about this interview.
That's normal. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Please place your belongings next to your chair, but remain standing. Before we begin, I need to place you under oath. Please raise your right hand.
Okay.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You may lower your hand and have a seat.
Thank you.
Do you understand what you just promised?
Yes, I promise to tell the truth.
Did you have any difficulty finding our office today?
No, it was easy to find.
How did you travel here today?
I took the bus.
Did anyone come with you?
Yes, my sister came with me.
Can you please show me your green card, your state-issued ID or interview notice, and your passport?
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Are you ready to begin the interview?
Yes, I am ready.
Did you come here voluntarily?
Yes, I did. I've been looking forward to this day.
Are you requesting any accommodation today because of a disability?
No, officer.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, thank you.
Did anyone assisted you to complete your N-400 application form?
No, I did that myself.
How long have you been waiting?
About 20 minutes.
I will ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to understand your moral character. During several parts of the interview, I will ask questions specifically to learn more about your moral character. These questions will be very important because they will help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It will be important that you answer honestly. Even any of your answer is yes, it will not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I will need you to tell the truth. Please feel free to ask if you don't hear me clearly at any point. Any questions before we get started?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay. What is your full legal name?
My full name is Miguel Santos Reyes.
Please spell your last name for me.
Reyes.
What is your date of birth?
March 15th, 1984.
Where were you born?
I was born in Manila, Philippines.
What is your current address?
It's 321 Park Lane, Apartment 2D, Hoboken, New Jersey, 07030.
How long have you lived at this address?
About 5 years.
Before that, where did you live?
I lived at 55 River Road, Apartment 4B, Jersey City, New Jersey, for 3 years.
Can you give the exact date you moved to your current address?
I moved on January 12, 2019.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
How many times have you been married?
I have been married twice.
When did your divorce happen?
I got divorced on January 1st, 2013.
Can you show me your divorce papers?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Do you keep in touch with your ex-spouse?
No, we've never talked since the divorce.
Do you know where your ex-spouse lives now?
No, I'm not sure. All I know is that she's living in Poland.
Do you have any children from your previous marriage?
No, I don't have any children from my previous marriage.
What is your current spouse's legal status now?
She is a US citizen.
Where did your current marriage take place?
It took place in Manila, Philippines.
What is the date of your current marriage?
It's August 11th, 2014.
Can you please provide me your current marriage certificate?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. What is your current spouse's full name?
Her full name is Maria Elena Santos.
Has your current spouse been married before?
No, she had never been married before.
What is current spouse's date of birth?
Her date of birth is July 7th, 1989.
Do you have any children?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children, 1 son and 1 daughter.
Please show me your children's birth certificates.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. Are they biological children with your current spouse?
Yes, they are.
Can you please let me know your daughter's full name and date of birth?
My daughter's full name is Sofia Santos Reyes, and her date of birth is January 17, 2018.
Can you please let me know your son's full name and date of birth?
My son's full name is Mario Santos Reyes, and date of birth is February 19, 2016.
Okay. Let's go over your employment and education history. What is your current job?
I work as a project coordinator at Hudson Tech Solutions in Hoboken, New Jersey.
Did you ever work using a different name, social security number, or without authorization before receiving your green card?
No, never.
Did you attend school in the United States?
Yes, I took business management courses at Hudson County Community College from September 2016 to May 2018.
Where did you work before this job?
I worked at Ocean View Logistics in Jersey City.
Please provide the full address and employment dates.
It was 88 Bay Street, Jersey City, New Jersey, from June 2015 until February 2020.
What position did you hold there?
I was an operations assistant.
Please give me the full address of your workplace.
It is 150 Waterfront Drive, Suite 400, Hoboken, New Jersey, 07030.
Okay. What are your main responsibilities in your job?
I manage project timelines, communicate with clients, and supervise a small team of 3 employees.
Have you always filed your taxes while working in the United States?
Yes, I have filed every year.
When did you start working there?
I started in March 2020.
Now let's discuss your travel outside the United States since becoming a permanent resident. How many trips have you taken outside the United States in the last 5 years?
I have taken 3 trips.
Please give me the dates and details of your first trip.
The first trip was from April 1, 2021 to May 15, 2021. I went to Manila, Philippines, to attend my grandmother's funeral.
How long did you stay?
About 6 weeks.
Have you ever stayed outside the U.S. for more than a year?
No, never.
Have you faced any immigration or customs issues while traveling?
No.
Please give me the dates and details of your third trip.
That was from December 5, 2023 to December 20, 2023. I went to Vancouver, Canada, to attend my cousin's wedding.
Please give me the dates and details of your second trip.
That was from November 10, 2022 to July 20, 2023. I stayed in Manila to help my parents renovate their home and care for my elderly father.
That's more than 6 months, correct?
Yes, about 8 months.
Did you intend to abandon your permanent residence in the U.S.?
No, I always intended to return.
Did you maintain a home in the U.S. while abroad?
Yes, my wife and children remained at our Hoboken apartment.
During that trip, did you file U.S. taxes as a resident or non-resident?
As a resident.
Did you maintain any bank accounts or bills in the U.S.?
Yes, I continued paying utilities, rent, and kept my checking and savings accounts active.
Did you ever use a passport other than your Philippine passport?
No.
Let's discuss your legal history. Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained?
Yes, I have received 1 traffic ticket and appeared in small claims court.
Tell me about the traffic ticket.
It was on May 22, 2023, on Route 495 in New Jersey. I was driving 20 miles per hour over the speed limit.
Did you go to court?
Yes, I appeared on June 15, 2023, and paid a $300 fine.
What about the court case?
In September 2024, a neighbor filed a small claims suit regarding a dispute over property damage to a shared fence. I attended court, and the case was dismissed.
Okay. Please show me the payment receipt.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. Did you register for selective service if required?
Yes, in 2023.
Have you ever failed to pay taxes intentionally?
No, I filed late once in 2023 due to travel, but I corrected it and paid penalties.
Let's discuss some detailed personal situations and hypothetical questions. Have you ever been involved in any traffic accidents where someone was injured?
No, fortunately not.
Have you ever assisted someone in avoiding law enforcement?
No.
Have you ever failed to report an incident that should have been reported?
No.
Have you ever faced discrimination or harassment?
Yes, at a previous workplace, I faced subtle racial discrimination, but I reported it to HR, and the situation was resolved.
Have you ever been sued for personal or business reasons?
No. Only minor civil disputes like the small claims case I mentioned earlier.
Have you ever been involved in a dispute with a neighbor or community member?
Yes, in 2023, there was a disagreement over shared parking space. We resolved it through mediation.
Have you ever been involved in helping a family member with legal troubles?
No.
Have you ever been involved in a workplace conflict or disciplinary action?
Yes, in 2022, I received a verbal warning for a scheduling mistake at my previous job, but it was resolved after retraining.
Have you ever traveled to a country with travel restrictions or advisory warnings?
Yes, I traveled to Venezuela in 2017, before I became a permanent resident, but I did not encounter any legal issues.
Have you ever received public assistance or government benefits?
No.
Have you ever helped someone immigrate to the U.S. illegally or provide false documentation?
No.
Have you ever had conflicts with neighbors, coworkers, or family that escalated to law enforcement involvement?
No.
Have you ever acted as a guarantor for anyone who violated U.S. laws?
No.
Have you ever knowingly submitted false information on an official form?
No. Never.
Have you ever been involved in organizing community events or volunteering?
Yes, I volunteer at my local library and organize annual cultural festivals for the Filipino community in Hoboken.
Have you ever been terminated or asked to resign from a job?
No, I have not.
Have you ever had financial difficulties that affected your ability to pay bills or support your family?
Yes, in 2022, I had to take a temporary loan to cover medical bills for my son. I repaid it within 6 months.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No, I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever been involved in an accident that caused property damage?
Yes, in 2021, I accidentally backed into a parked car in a supermarket lot. I reported it to the police and the insurance company.
Have you ever co-signed a loan for someone who failed to pay?
Yes, for one of my friends in 2021. I had to cover the remaining balance of $2,000.
During your travels, have you ever experienced legal issues abroad, such as fines or detentions?
No, never.
Now we will discuss few issues to assess your moral character and attachment to the U.S. Please be truthful. You must answer truthfully. Providing false information can cause your application to be denied, and it can even affect your immigration status in the future. Do you understand?
Yes, officer.
Have you ever been involved in charitable or community work while living abroad?
Yes, I donated to local NGOs in the Philippines for children's education.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a US citizen?
No, never.
Have you ever assisted anyone abroad in committing illegal acts?
No.
Have you ever helped someone legally immigrate to the US?
Yes, I assisted my cousin in completing visa applications and paperwork legally.
Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes, I sent money to my parents for medical expenses and household needs, roughly $500 per month over several years.
Okay. Have you ever had a family member visit you from abroad for an extended period?
Yes, my uncle came from the Philippines in 2019 for 6 months, while he was recovering from surgery.
Did he stay at your residence?
Yes, he stayed at my Hoboken apartment with my family.
Okay. During your travels abroad, have you ever been detained, questioned, or fined by foreign authorities?
No.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
Yes, I signed a property purchase agreement in Manila for my parents' home in 2017.
Have you ever encountered situations that required reporting to law enforcement abroad?
Yes, in 2021, a theft occurred in my neighborhood in Manila, and I filed a police report.
All right. We'll now move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'm going to ask you up to 10 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer.
Please listen carefully to each question. How many amendments does Constitution have?
27.
What is the supreme law of the land?
The Constitution.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
What is freedom of religion?
You can practice any religion, or not practice a religion.
Name one of the 2 longest rivers in the United States.
Missouri River.
We elect a U.S. Senator for how many years?
6.
What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution?
The Bill of Rights.
In what month do we vote for president?
November.
What was one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did?
Freed the slaves.
The House of Representatives has how many voting members?
435.
Great! You have passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Now I am going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, officer.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know and I'll explain that. Okay.
Okay.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No, I have never been in jail or prison.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
What is claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
Said, you are a U.S. citizen.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No.
What are overdue taxes?
Taxes, not paid on time.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No, never.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No, never.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No, I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status or right from immigration.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
No, I have never been a prostitute, and I have never procured anyone.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I have never been deported.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No, never.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No, I have never been convicted of a crime or offense.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, I have never served in the military or police of another country.
Have you ever killed or tried to kill anyone?
No, never.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No, never.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No.
What is national origin?
Country, where a person is from.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No, never.
Have you ever committed assault?
No.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No.
What is illegal gambling?
Betting, not allowed by law.
Have you ever helped someone to enter the U.S. illegally?
No, I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No, never.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No, I have never been arrested.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No, never.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No, never.
What is rescission?
Canceling legal status.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, I have never been a habitual drunkard.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No.
What is file tax return?
Send tax form to the government.
What is non-resident?
Not living as a U.S. resident.
Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No, never.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No.
What is registered to vote?
Signed up to vote.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No.
Have you ever failed to support dependents or pay alimony?
No.
What is alimony?
Money paid to ex-spouse after divorce.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No, never.
Have you ever sold or transport weapons?
No.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No, never.
Have you ever forced sexual activity on anyone?
No.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs like selling, smuggling, or using?
No, I have never been involved in illegal drugs, like selling, smuggling, or using.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No, I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I am willing to.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, I will.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I understand.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, I will.
What is bear arms?
Carry and use weapons.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I will.
What is work of national importance?
Important work for the country.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, officer, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Please read the sentence on the tablet.
Why do people come to America?
Great job! You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. People come to United States to be free. Excellent. You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any other questions for me at this point?
No, I'm good.
All right. I've updated some of the sections. Please make sure to review all your answers and confirm they are accurate. Then sign and date at the bottom.
Okay. Everything looks perfect.
Now, please review the last page, where the oath of allegiance is listed. If you're willing to take the oath, please sign at the bottom.
Okay. Everything looks perfect.
Congratulations! You passed your citizenship interview today.
Thank you so much. I am so excited about this.
Just a reminder. You're not a US citizen yet, until you take the oath of allegiance at the official naturalization ceremony. We'll send you a schedule with the date and time of the ceremony.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for me?
No, officer.
Okay.
Thank you again for your time today. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
You too.